So we are making an updated snow plows for the engines that you've seen here, and even this model that's the custom. I mean, this was Spencer model. So we have the like metallic shiny uh, snowplow. I also have this design for that model, but I don't know which of these two should go with Spencer. But anyways, so I made one for Molly. Molly does not have any uh, on Trackmaster. Obviously, Gordon, Henry is another Gordon, Thomas, Percy. Now I had a challenge for this guy here, but there is nowhere to attach the snowplow. Like the buffer bin. So that's how I attach the snowplow to these models. But I have an idea. So we design something like this so we can just attach it. So this will be part of the problem solver, this attachment. So this way we can attach a snowplow, and this is our result. This is how it looks. Now once attached, I noticed that the model is kind of hiding behind the snowplow. I don't see the face. Maybe if I can just make it shorter. So here's the design, but different. There's no option. Actually, there's no a picture or something that I can refer that it's done this way. I mean, I could also make it like this design, but I'm gonna try this kind of flat. I mean, simple design, not with the grooves. And this is how it looks. Now you can see the face of this model. So what are your thoughts on this? Should we keep it this way or with the other one? That one right there. Obviously there is enough clearance for the track. Okay, so I guess that's the end of this short video. There's enough clearance for that track, and that's the best I could do it to this snowplow for Victor. Obviously it's a kind of press fit. You need to, I mean, I cannot do it with one. Let me see if I can do it one hand. Yeah, right there. Press fit. It's perfect. All right.